The question that we've been asked is, inside reconciliation in both trust and general, we have this button called preview. And how can I use that? To answer this, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a reconciliation, with a balance. Let's say the bank balance was this much, and we knew in this month the two transactions on the 13th are reconciled. So let me just clear them, and the reconciliation button comes on. But you don't want to do reconciliation at this point. You just want to preview it. So what you can do is you can click on the preview button and click the preview reconciliation. And what this will do is it will show you a standard reconciliation. It will tell you that, hey, these are the transactions that are cleared, these are the outstanding, and it'll tell you the total. It'll give you a full reconciliation preview statement. Now when you come back to reconciliation, the software will remember that. So you can basically say reconciliation general, right? Now this might be much later in the month. You see that these two that you previewed before, part of a temporary reconciliation, are now highlighted in blue, indicating that they were already reconciled before. Similarly, if you had imported something, that would be highlighted in green. So these are transactions that EULA is telling you that you did not spend a lot of time thinking about clearing them, because either you spent time previously reconciling them or they are from a bank import. So you can directly go ahead and just continue with reconciliation very quickly. I'm going to show you another example where I'm going to do a bank import. Let me quickly do a bank import. So I go into action, do a bank import. I'm having CIBC as an example. I'm going to say choose the file, CIBC. This is my credit card statement. I upload it into EULA, and let's say I just import this Tim Hortons transaction and just say take action. It's an office expense. Obviously it knows it's a meal, and I submit it. I also want to take this hydro, for example, just say that's also another office expense. It's actually rent and taxes under hydro, right? I can actually hit the submit button. Now when I now go back to reconciliation of the general, what you will see now is you will see now the two transactions that I imported, hydro and Tim Hortons, are in green. The two transactions that I previewed before are in blue. So that way, when I now do the new reconciliation, I put my new bank total, I can just clear these because I know these are from bank and these are from my previous reconciliation without even thinking twice. So the advantage of doing preview is it kind of lets you know ahead of time what was done before. So you can always park reconciliations, come back to it later. We in EULA stress a lot about compliance, and to us, if you do weekly reconciliation, you're even better off. Preview helps you with that. What you can do is you can get your assistant or your accountant to do weekly preview reconciliations, and then when you come on the end of the month to do your reconciliation, you will actually see the work that they have done highlighted in blue. You will see the ones that they have imported from the bank highlighted in green, so that way you can make your decisions for reconciliation faster. So if you're reconciling your entire month, we're giving you a lot of hints by doing this. Once again, use the preview every weekly, and at the end of the month you can just do your reconciliation. By using the preview button and doing weekly reconciliation and then doing the final reconciliation at the end of the month, you're likely to be more compliant, more audit ready anytime. And once you've finished all your reconciliation, as you know in EULA, you just go to the compliance panel and just download your monthly statements in a few seconds.